Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Hello. Good morning.
Hi.
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 Good morning, class. Welcome to room 17. My name is Mr. Tandy. Isabel, Pierre, come here, please. Let's practice, okay?
Okay,
Do you speak English?
I speak English a little bit from my classes in Haiti.
Good. My name is Mr. Tandy. What is your name?
My name is Pierre.
Welcome to our class, Pierre.
It's nice to meet you.
Pierre, I would like you to meet Isabel. Isabel, meet Pierre.
Hi, Pierre. It's nice to meet you.
Please say your name again.
Isabel.
Hello, Isabel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Haiti.
What is your last name?
My last name is Wesley. My middle name is Joseph. My full name is Pierre Joseph Wesley.
My middle name is Lucinda. My last name is Chang. My full name is Isabel Lucinda Chang.
What is your full name?
Okay, sit down, please.
Ouch!
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Mr. Tandy, when I see you, I say hello. Or, how are you?
Yes, those are called greetings. Greetings.
Only hello and how are you?
No, there are other greetings. Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? There are others, but these are the common greetings.
Hey, Mr. Tandy.
Hi, Teresa.
How's it going?
All right, thanks.
What's up?
Nothing. What's up with you?
What's happening?
Not much. When you first meet a person, say, hello, it's nice to meet you. When you see a friend, use these greetings.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's happening? How are you doing? Yes, Teresa?
Where is Oscar?
Oscar is in Mexico.
Who is Oscar?
Oscar is a student in this class.
When is he coming back?
He is not going to return.
I'm sorry that your friend isn't here.
Oscar lives in Mexico. Where do you live?
I live in Baker, California. Where do you live?
Oh, hi, Mrs. Martinez.
Hi, Mr. Tandy. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Class, I would like you to meet Miss Martinez.
Hi, Mrs. Martinez. My name is Teresa.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Teresa.
It's nice to meet you, too. This is Sam.
Hi.
That's Isabel. And that's Pierre.
I'm happy to be here. I am a teacher. I'm going to teach you English with Mr. Tandy.